Hello student, today we are going to learn our third problem on not-for-profit concern. See, this one is a third problem on not-for-profit concern. I'll read whole problem and explain first one, which one adjustment is very important for this problem. Following is the receipt and payment account of Kathraj Pensioners Association, newly started on 1st April 2010. Okay, see here, the newly established firm started on 1st April 2010. That's why Kathraj Pensioners Association accounting year is 1st April 2010 to 31st March 2011. Everybody clear? Here accounting year is 1st April 2010 to 31st March 2011. Then next one, the given receipt and payment account. Using that receipt and payment account and additional information, we are required to prepare income expenditure account as well as balance sheet. See, receipt side, first one, see receipt side. Receipt side they give one subscription three amounts. First one, subscription for 2010-11 85,000, subscription for 2011-12 6,900, subscription for 2012-13 2,000. We see here three amount. Okay, three amount of subscription, but our current year is 2010-11. That's why we consider here current year subscription amount 85,000. Okay, everybody understood? Current year subscription amount is what? 85,000. See, this one is a current year subscription amount. Current year subscription amount is what? 85,000. Okay. The next one, they given entrance fees. Entrance fees 11,000. Donation 25,000. Here donation they mention general. That's why we consider here only income. If they given any other option, then we consider is our revenue. But right now here that donation is a general, that's why that one is our income. Next, receipt and payment side. Receipt and payment side, they give one first one, rent account. By rent 6,000, traveling expenses 2,800, by expenses for get together function 3,300. See here is a pensioners association, that's why here they give one get together function association. By charity rupees 1,000, by salaries 4,500, by furniture 30,500. Okay, here furniture is assets and above all particulars are expenditure. The next one, by fixed deposit, again one asset 50,000, and by balance carried down 31,800. Here they give one balance carried down amount rupees 31,800. See here in the last one problem we see two balances, balance brought down as well as balance carried down, but in that problem we see only carried down amount, not a brought down amount. Means here is a no any opening amount, only closing amount given of cash or bank account. Why is okay? So answer is here because that one is newly established firm. What? Here the Kathraj Pensioners Association is newly established. That's why no any opening balance of cash or bank account. That's why here only closing balance. Closing balance amount is what? 31,800 is our cash in hand or cash at bank. The next one, the given adjustments. Outstanding subscription for current year rupees 10,000. Current year outstanding how many? Means current year outstanding income rupees 10,000. Remember that one adjustment we already learned in a last problem. The next one, entrance fees are to be capitalized. Here entrance fees are fully capitalized because here no any mention amount or percentage, that's why is a fully capitalized, means whole amount is capitalized. Next one, they given capital fund should be created out of entrance fees and surplus of current year. Okay, see here there is a newly established firm, that's why we consider capitalization of entrance fees is our capital fund. Remember that one things. Okay, point to be noted here. What? Capital fund balance is not given in the problem because it's a newly established firm, so entrance fees we consider here as a capital fund, and as well as surplus of current year also we consider capital fund. Clear everybody? The next one, depreciation on furniture, the given directly amount without percentage is easy to calculate. Okay, and you are required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2011. Everybody understood problem first one, and then I'll show you what is the answer. See, I'll write first one heading here. First one heading is compulsory to write in the books of, किसके बुक में हम एंट्री कर रहे हैं, दैट वन इज नेसेसरी टू राइट हियर. सो वी राइट हियर इन द बुक्स ऑफ कातरस पेंशनर्स एसोसिएशन. देन our account name, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2011. See, we posted all those concept here. Posted we by rent traveling expenses, to expenses, expenses for to get together functions, charity and salaries. We recorded expenditure side, where we recorded expenditure side we recorded all expenses: rent, traveling expenses, expenses for get together function, charity. Rent amount rupees 6,000, traveling expenses rupees 2,800, expenses for get together 3,300, to charity 1,000, and salaries rupees 4,500. We posted all those expenses expenditure side. Okay, and one more thing is remaining: furniture and fixed deposit and balance carried down, that can be recorded balance sheet asset side, furniture, fixed deposit and cash in hand. Okay, already I'll explain why we record here cash in hand, because it's a newly established firm. Whatever balance carried down is here what? Cash in hand. There is no any opening balance. Then posting remaining receipt side, subscription, current year subscription we recorded. So current year subscription amount is what? 85,000. We write inner column because on that particular subscription have adjustment. Okay, because our subscription amount is what? Outstanding. So we recorded 85,000 inner column. And remaining both one amount, subscription for 2011 12 and subscription for 2012 13, we recorded balance sheet liability side. See, balance sheet liability side, subscription received in advance 2011 12 and 12 13, 6,900, 2,000 total amount we recorded. Okay, always remember, if we received any subscription in advance, then we recorded directly, we posted directly balance sheet liability side. Entrance fees, entrance fees our income, that's why we recorded income and expenditure account, income side, credit side, as well as donation also we recorded income side rupees 25,000. Then adjustments. Adjustment number first one, outstanding subscription for current year rupees 10,000. See here, outstanding subscription they given, that's why first one effect we recorded here. Whatever outstanding we add, so here outstanding income for current year is what? 10,000. So we recorded first one adjustment effect, add outstanding for 2011-10 amounted rupees 10,000, and then after column we write 95,000. Second effect we recorded balance sheet asset side, outstanding income is our assets, that's why second effect balance sheet asset side is what? Amounted rupees 10,000. Clear everybody? First one adjustment, subscription outstanding, that's why we add under a subscription 10,000, and second effect balance sheet asset side. See, second adjustment, entrance fees are to be capitalized. There is no any amount given here or percentage, that's why we consider here entrance fees are to be fully capitalized. So we recorded here whole amount from entrance fees. Entrance fees are to be capitalized, that's why less capitalized rupees 11,000 as second adjustment first effect we recorded here. Second adjustment first effect we recorded. Okay, and that one amount is what? Nil. Second effect, because in our third adjustment they already mentioned capital fund should be created out of entrance fees, so that one amount we directly write as a capital fund amounted rupees 11,000. Understood everybody? First one effect less from that particular entrance fees, and second effect balance sheet liability side under head capital fund rupees 11,000. Second adjustment complete. Then third adjustment, that one thing also they mention, what they mention here, capital fund should be created out of entrance fees and surplus of current year. Last one adjustment, depreciate furniture by rupees 2,500. So we directly calculate depreciation on furniture less depreciation 2,500. Okay, always remember depreciation is our expenses, that's why we are not recorded in assets, so we less from that particular assets, less from that particular asset, then we got amount less from 30,500 minus 2,500, so we got amount 28,500. So fourth one adjustment first effect, fourth one adjustment first effect. Then second effect we recorded is our depreciation is our expenses, that's why second effect. Fourth one adjustment second effect we recorded income and expenditure account, expenditure side, depreciation on furniture rupees 2,500. Clear everybody? Okay, yes. And all adjustments are covered. See again, see this one problem. Always remember, if subscription is given in advance, then that can be recorded बैलेंस शीट लायबिलिटी साइड. याद रहेगा सबको, कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम में सब्सक्रिप्शन नेक्स्ट ईयर का दिया है तो कंपलसरी याद रखो वो जो भी सब्सक्रिप्शन है दैट कैन बी रिकॉर्डेड बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड. ओके, इस लेक्चर में हमने एग्जैक्टली क्या देखा है उसका रिव्यू देखते हैं. एक बार देखो इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट क्या है वहाँ पे. ओके, चाहिए तो आपको ये स्क्रीनशॉट लो प्रॉब्लम की क्या करो स्क्रीनशॉट लो. इसके लिए मैं टाइम दे रही हूँ, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो ये प्रॉब्लम की. तो आपको एग्जैक्टली पता चलेगा और आप आपके नोटबुक में ये प्रॉब्लम आपको सॉल्व करना है। सो दैट्स वाई या राइट करना है तो देखो पहले स्क्रीनशॉट लो, ये था प्रॉब्लम। नेक्स्ट वन आई शो यू आंसर, ये है यहाँ पे आंसर। आंसर सॉल्व करने के बाद हमें यहाँ पे व्हेन वी टैली दैट पर्टिकुलर अकाउंट, ये अकाउंट टैली करने के बाद हमें यहाँ पे सरप्लस मिला है अमाउंटेड रुपीज़ 99,900 टू एक्सेस ऑफ इनकम ओवर एक्सपेंडिचर। ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है, सरप्लस भी लिख सकते हो या अदरवाइज एक्सेस ऑफ इनकम ओवर एक्सपेंडिचर ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो। तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिला, सरप्लस मिला। सरप्लस की अमाउंट है 99,900। एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? ओके, ये टैली करने के बाद यहाँ पे मुझे सरप्लस मिला। सरप्लस कैसे निकाला, ये पहले वाला प्रॉब्लम मैंने बताया था, फिर से एक बार बताती हूँ। इनकम साइड एज कंपेयर टू एक्सपेंसेस ज़्यादा है, दैट्स वाई इनकम की टोटल मैंने बोथ वन साइड लिखी 1,20,000। ओके, एंड क्रेडिट डेबिट साइड की टोटल लेस की क्रेडिट साइड में से तो हमें डिफरेंस दिखा, दैट इज व्हाट 99,900। ओके, एंड दैट कैन बी रिकॉर्डेड, कहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड किया मैंने, फिर एड एक्सेस अ income over expenditure means surplus 99,900 and then we write outer balance, then our balance sheet tallied. Okay, check both one balances, our balance sheet is what tallied. स्क्रीनशॉट निकालो एक बार तो आपको आंसर का भी स्क्रीनशॉट आएगा। चलो निकाला। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन देखते हैं रिव्यू व्हाट वी लर्न इन दैट प्रॉब्लम। एंट्रेंस फीस आर बी ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल फंड बिकॉज एंट्रेंस फीस आर कैपिटलाइज। सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड फॉर 2011-12 and 2013 are shown on liability side of balance sheet. Closing balance of receipt and payment account shows cash in hand asset side. Okay, is a newly established firm, that's why there is no any opening balances, directly closing balances, that's why we recorded.